going on the middle, and I'm going to keep this on high for now. I might flip that down. You ready? You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Got her? You don't have to hold on to her. She won't do it. Okay, here we go. God, this thing flies good. I can tell you already. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Oh, this thing flies great.
I lost it. Where the hell is it? You're gonna have to edit.
Why is that?
I lost the plane. I couldn't find it.
That's all right. Even with the high ailerons, it's not touching at all. I'd say go pretty fast, pretty heavy on the aileron because it's not. I'm on full, so whatever the rates were. Middle, so 3/4 of an inch is fine. I'm not gonna try anything right yet. I'm gonna fly around it. I'm gonna do a loop. God, this thing, I just can't believe how good it flies. It's solid, it's rock solid. Now landing
It weighs a ton.
I'm gonna go up and test out the flaps. I'm probably going to come in with flaps as long as they don't do something weird, you know, they're trying out. It's so solid. Look at this. I know I'm going to wish I hadn't been saying all these stupid things in the video when I watch the video. That's a lot of rudder turn there, just for the fun of it. The rudder was not extremely expensive. It does fly fast. So I'm not sure about slowing it down without the flaps. I'm going to try flying by with half flap. Just to see it. Alright, I'm going to do one more pass just in case I, you know. What's that?
All the way down?
Yeah. What do you say, go around it, but...
Probably make the approach from around the tree instead.
Oh, there you go. Uh-oh.
Dive it down, get it down, get it down. Down, 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 down.
Oh, that is...
Down.
That is sweet.
Thank you. Not a perfect landing, but it's down in one piece.
Yeah, but
I just didn't have a long...
Well, I am so glad that I think I was probably more nervous than you were, you know.